Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the right approach for your projects. Native versus remote development. Pick based on portability, isolation, and team needs. Once decided, install the stable VS Code build and immediately add core extensions like Git, Settings Sync, and language packs because they save time. Make sure your machine meets prerequisites. Verify you have at least 1 GB free and required runtimes like Node or Python. Begin the app and open a project folder. This first action drives which configuration path you follow next. Now configure the detailed middle steps. Open workspace settings and add JSON overrides for formatters, linters, and path mappings so your editor behaves consistently. If you chose remote, enable WSL, remote containers, or remote SSH. Configure dev container. JSON, map ports and volumes, and forward terminals. Once done, install remote-aware extensions and enable settings sync so your preferences travel with you. Make sure to test a build or run command. This verifies the environment and highlights missing tools before you finalize the setup. Finish by running a full build and a debug session to confirm breakpoints, source maps, and the integrated terminal work as expected. Then optimize performance. Disable unused extensions, adjust autosave, and increase file watcher limits when projects are large. Once done, make sure to commit workspace and dev container settings so teammates reproduce the setup. If something goes wrong, check the output and remote logs, reload the window, or rebuild the container. That single troubleshooting step often resolves missing dependencies or stale caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.